Hi guys, welcome back. So we are going to start doing just one page a day so it's not so overwhelming and see if we can get everybody kind of caught up and going with this. So we are in Horizon 2 and this is page 57, lesson 27. Okay, and right up here at the top we're going to write the number. So this is taking how we've been pulling our numbers apart. This is taking them and then writing them in expanded form. Okay, so 3,000. So the number 1,000 has 3 zeros in it. 1, oops, 2, 3. And it has a comma right there. The number 100 has 2 zeros in it. My zeros are funky. And then the number 10 has 1 zero in it. Okay, so when we go to write this, we're going to write 3,000 on the line. So 3. I think I'm going to switch to typing my numbers in because this is a little hard to do right in this small space. So okay, so 3,000, right? And then we have 600. So we're going to go to the next space and we're going to write 600. And then we have 8 tens, which is 80. And then how many ones do we have? We have 4. Okay, so that's what that's going to look like. Here, I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can. Nope, if I make it any bigger, it kind of jumps, doesn't it? There we go. Does that make it a little better? There, we can see it in red. Okay, so I took the number 3,000 and then I did plus 300, or plus 600, plus 8 tens, which is 80, plus 4. Now, it's not asking you to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. The way we write this number out then would be 4 ones, 8 tens, 6 hundreds, and 3 thousands. And that is the number written in standard form. That's the number written the way that we usually end up reading it, isn't it? 3,684. This is the number written in expanded form, pulled apart. Okay, so we're going to do it again down here. You can tell I've been on break. My computer's being lazy. All right. Okay, so now we have 4 thousands. So that's 4,000, right? How many hundreds do we have? We have 100. 100. How many tens? It says 2 tens. So 2 tens, which is 20, and 7 ones. So that's all we're doing when we write it in expanded form. Once again, I'm going to write it out. You do not have to, but I want you to see how it works. You start at the ones. See how many ones was 7. How many tens was 2. How many hundreds was 1. And how many thousands was 4. So when I write this number out, I get 4,127. Okay? All right, let's do this one. You try to do it. I'll be silent while I'm doing mine. You try to do yours and then check your answer with me, okay? So you don't have to push pause, but just I'm going to be silent and see what you get. Okay, is this what you got? 8,400, and you have the right number of zeros, 50, and 2. Does that look about right for you guys? Now again, I'm going to write it over here. So I've got a 2 in the ones column, then I've got a 5 in the tens column, Then I've got a 4 in the hundreds column. And an 8 in the thousands column. So that's the number written in standard form. Okay. All right, let's do these two down here. It says I have 5 thousands. It says I have 3 hundreds. It says I have 7 tens. And it says I have 6 ones. Okay, so that means I have 7 ones. Oh, nope, not 7 ones. 6 ones, 7 tens, 3 hundreds, and 5 thousands. All right, you do this last one by yourself, and then we'll start on down here. All right, push pause if you need more time. Otherwise, we're down here. Write the number that is 9 more. So 9 more is adding 9. So when I have my chart and I have my little square, if this is how you're going to do it, feel free. Otherwise, you can get out whatever you use to do this type of project. But we're going to start at 18 this time. And we're adding 9 because it says 9 more. So I'm at 18, so I'm adding 9. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 27. So I write 27 on the line. Okay, so now I'm at 45, and I'm adding 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 54. Okay, now I'm at 81, and I'm adding 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90. Now, if you don't have one of these handy dandy little looking boxes, that's something that you and Mom can make. It's not hard to make out of a piece of just cardstock or a piece of paper, and just make yourself a little window. It really is helpful. Okay, so we are not going to do, we're not going to do this one. We're going to do the next pink one. Okay, so I'm going to start at 63, and we're going to add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then we jump down, 8, 9, 72. Okay, now we're at 27. And we're going to add 9. 1, 2, 3, jump down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 36. All right, you're going to finish this pink row in this blue box. And then, so push pause, finish pink and blue, and then meet me down here at number 3, and we're subtracting 9 this time. So push pause and meet me back. Okay, if you're back, you have all this blue box done and this last pink one, and you're down here and you're ready to subtract 9. So this time we're going to go to 45. And we're going to take 9 away. So make sure 45 is in our box. Okay, and we're going to take 9 away, so we're going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 36. Okay, now I'm at 72. I'm going to go backwards 9. 1, jump up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $63. Okay, we're at 27. And we're going to go backwards 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump up for 7, 8, 9, 18. All right, you're going to finish the last 2 purple boxes. You can see I blotted out one of the boxes, so you just have to do the 2 purple boxes. So push pause, do the 2 purple boxes, and come back to me. Okay, if you're back with me, you're ready to do these story problems here at the bottom. Okay. Now it says, there were 23 bees in a hive. 18 more joined, so that means added, joined them. How many bees are in the hive? So we are setting up an addition problem. I'm going to set it up off to the side over here. You can do yours right below. My page just is a little shorter than yours. So I'm going to set mine up over here. So I've got 23. And I need to add 18. So I'm going to put the 18 right below. Do you see how I lined up my numbers? My 1s are lined up, which is the 3 and the 8, and my 10s are lined up, which is the 2 and the 1. That'll make for some clean adding. So I'm going to add 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to write the 1, carry the 1, right? And I'm going to add my 10s column. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many bees are in the hive? 41 bees. Now when we write our answer, we don't just write 41 because we don't want to say 41 televisions, right? It's 41 bees. And mine's messy because I got to use a mouse, but you're using a pencil. All right. 26 blackbirds were on a fence. 8 more joined them. That's that addition. How many blackbirds are now on the fence? So I want you to go ahead and do this. You can use your hundreds chart and start at 26 and add 8 more, or you can set up an addition problem. That's up to you. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.